Title: How to make butter chicken. Opening shot of ingredients on a kitchen counter. Narrator: Butter chicken is a classic Indian dish that's rich, creamy and full of flavor. Today, we'll be showing you how to make it from scratch, so you can enjoy this delicious dish in the comfort of your own home. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Cut to a close-up shot of the ingredients on the counter as the narrator lists them. Narrator: For the marinade, you'll need 1. 500 grams boneless chicken. 2. 1 cup plain yogurt. 3. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 4. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 5. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 6. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 7. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 8. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. 9. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Cut to a shot of the chicken being cut into cubes and mixed with the marinade in a bowl. Narrator: Mix the chicken with the marinade and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for best results. Cut to a shot of a large saucepan on a stove, with a stick of butter being added to it. Narrator: Now, let's make the sauce. Melt a stick of butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Cut to a shot of diced onions being added to the saucepan. Narrator: Add 1 diced onion and cook until it's soft and translucent. Cut to a shot of diced tomatoes being added to the saucepan. Narrator: Add 2 diced tomatoes and cook until they're soft and mushy. Cut to a shot of the sauce being blended in a blender. Narrator: Blend the sauce until it's smooth and creamy. Cut to a shot of the sauce being poured back into the saucepan. Narrator: Pour the sauce back into the saucepan and add the following spices. 1. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 2. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 3. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 4. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 5. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 6. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. 7. 1 teaspoon salt. Cut to a shot of the marinated chicken being added to the saucepan. Narrator: Add the marinated chicken to the saucepan and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked. Cut to a shot of cream being added to the saucepan. Narrator: Finally, add 1/2 cup of cream to the saucepan and stir until it's well combined. Cut to a shot of the finished butter chicken being served in a bowl. Narrator: And that's it. Your delicious butter chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy! End shot of the finished dish.